You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this luxury designer brand, particularly famous for making leather handbags or bags. How do you pronounce it? If you want to learn more brand names from fashion design, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you. How to pronounce in English? Brahmin bags or Brahmin handbags. Brahmin, stress on the first syllable. Brahmin, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.